Hi, this is Colin from Watch Off the Cuff, and today in my hands I have the Horotec hand setting tool reference MSA05 This tool is used to set hands on a watch. The tips, there's 9 in total provided, screw into the end. It's dual-sided, and they simply screw into to the end of the tool. Which allows you to have, in this case, a solid, which you would use to set a second hand, and then a number of tools here with a hollow, with the diameter of that hollow written on the side to allow you to set hour and minute hands. If you're interested in learning more about what these sizes are and how they work, I did do a video called How to Swap a Watch Dial, and at the end of that video, I have a couple of diagrams and I demonstrate the use. The basic idea is that if we were setting the hour hand, I would want this hole to accept the minute wheel only, so that when I press down onto the dial, I would be not able to press the hour hand all the way down, because this hole would be too small to get around that hour wheel. So anyway, that's the idea there. The idea is that if you were doing, for example, a number of watches of the same caliber, and you knew that the hour and minute hands were going to be the same in terms of the diameter for the posts, then you could set up either side here, or as I had on here originally, I had the solid end here screwed into it. So I think I mentioned that the material itself is made of PEEK, so it won't scratch the hands themselves, and has a nice little rotating base. It is not a ball bearing like some of the screwdriver sets, but it's got a fairly nice feel to it, and there is an example. So again, if you're interested in seeing this sort of in action in terms of how these ends interact with the watch itself during a hand installation, please check out that video that I have called How to Swap a Dial. Until next time, cheers.